Welcome to Science Synthesis. I am Amaze. Today we shall be doing the rising water experiment. In this very experiment, we shall make water rise without touching it, simply by using a glass cup and a candle wax. It is not magic, it is simply science. The experiment comes together in minutes, but it is mind-blowing. Through the experiment, you will get to know some facts about ideal gas law, Charles law, and air pressure which we never knew before now. Stay with me as we enjoy ourselves in a world of science. Thank you.
So for this experiment, we need a glass cup, shallow dish, water, lighter or matchbox. Any of them will serve as the source of light. Candle, and then food color. The food color is optional. Why we are using a food color is so we can see the experiment proper. So the first thing we'll do is to dissolve the food color inside the water. So now we'll just add the orange food color to the water. And then we'll stir to dissolve it properly. So next we'll add the red food color as well to it. The goal is just to see the experiment when it happens. So we'll add the red food color and we'll stir as well to dissolve it. I think we are good. The color has dissolved properly. The next step is to light the candle using our lighter. We'll just light it. We have to be very careful doing this. And then we'll find a good spot on the shallow dish where we can place the candle. I think that spot is fine, and then we'll leave it right here. So we'll allow it to burn for some time, and then we'll pour the water containing the food color inside the shallow dish. Be very careful so you don't put off the light while pouring the water. Sorry about that. Let's just clean off the mess before we progress. Alright, I think we are good. So next is to cover the candle and then observe the bottom of the candle. So as the water is going up, the light is going off as well. So that's it. Okay, so let's look at it one more time. So the light is going down and the water is going up. So that's the experiment. Later on we shall see the science behind it. Stay with me.
The science. Here, the candle is using the oxygen inside the vessel to heat the air. Now, when we cover it up, we reduce the supply of oxygen. Because the candle is covered, the oxygen is all being used up, and the light can burn further and the flame goes off. As soon as the light goes off, the heat in the vessel is drained and the air inside the glass starts to cool off. When things contract, we say they have low pressure, and when they expand, we say they have high pressure. Hence, the lack of oxygen causes air inside the glass to contract, lowering the atmospheric pressure inside the glass, and a vacuum is created. Air surrounding the fire was initially hot before the glass was placed around it. So the air expands and hence increasing the atmospheric pressure. Therefore, there is a pressure difference. This pressure difference causes the higher pressure air outside the glass to push all around the vessel. Allowing the water to be pushed upwards into the inside of the cup, since the pressure inside the glass is lower. That is why the water rises.